Go.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Hilario and this is a practice of yoga for beginners. After my mate Ajahn, I'm gonna continue with centering, but in this case, in a different position. We're gonna stand up, I'm gonna take deep breaths, okay? In order to relax our body and to focus on the yoga practice. As we can see, first, we inhale, and we exhale. Let's go everybody. I wanna hear deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. I want everybody to forget about their lives and focus on the pose. Inhale, exhale. Now, nothing matters but the moment. We gotta coordinate our body and our mind. Exhale. Okay guys, so after this we are done with centering. We are going now to focus in another important task in a yoga session, which is our warm-up. Actually, it's my favorite part. So since we are beginners, I will show you guys a really easy pose, which is cat-cows. Okay? To make it realistic, we have to rely the whole weight of our body towards our wrist. Okay guys, make sure your back is totally plain, and when you do the movement, you gotta look to the skies. Okay? So it could be something like this. Okay guys, so now we are done with this exercise and we are gonna move to leg extension. This is an exercise I really know because I do it before practicing soccer. So I'm really familiar to it. So to do it, we keep the same position, okay? We rely the whole weight of our body towards our wrist, and we just try to extend our leg as much as possible. Make sure you don't bend it. Go back to the initial position and we switch. We have to feel how our muscles stretch. So please guys, keep the focus. Well done everyone. Okay guys, now we are done with warm-up. We're gonna now start the first exercise of our yoga session, which is a forward bend. I call it cobra stretch. The reason of the name, don't ask me because I don't know. But it's something like this. We keep the cat-cow position for a while, and we rely the weight of our body towards our wrist again. We kind of lay down on the mat, okay, like this. Make sure we align the shoulders and our hands, okay? And now we look forward, high. Make sure you take deep breaths while doing the exercise. Okay guys, so now we are going to do a relaxation pose. This is the most basic one, My teacher Teresa taught me in class one day, some decades ago, because now I'm old. And it could be something like this. You totally lay down. It's the same thing as if you take a nap. Same position. Your hands has to be like here. Your feet like this, and we just focus on our breath and keeping our mind outside of the world. Okay? Follow me, guys. Forget about everything that you have or you need. Just focus on the pose. Feel how your muscles now relax. Okay guys, so after doing this, we're gonna open our eyes and we're gonna try to get up slowly. Okay? And now we are going to do a pranayama pose. We're gonna focus again on the breathing. Okay? We're gonna hold our arms like this. We're gonna close our eyes slowly again. And we breathe. And exhale. Deeper, guys, please. Disconnect with the environment to connect to your mind. So, to feel fully relaxed, we are gonna copy me, this position, okay? Make sure your feet are under your legs, and we rely the body, the weight of our body on them. We put our back straight, and now we go like this. And we take deep breaths, okay guys? Okay everyone, this has been the end of my yoga practice for beginners. I hope you like it and you can enjoy it on your own.